Have you ever wondered why insurance is such a big deal in the USA? Why every American talks about health insurance, car insurance, home insurance, life insurance, almost like it's something you simply cannot survive without. Well, there's a reason for that. Today, we're taking a deep look into why insurance is not just important, but absolutely essential in the United States. In many countries around the world, things like healthcare, accident protection, or disaster recovery are mostly handled by government systems. But in the USA, most of these protections are not free and not universal. This means one thing: without insurance, even a simple emergency can lead to huge financial problems. Medical costs, car accidents, property damage, natural disasters, these things can be shockingly expensive in America. That's why insurance becomes a financial safety net, not a luxury, but a necessity. Let's talk about the biggest reason. First, healthcare. Health insurance is extremely important because medical costs in the US are very high. Just one ambulance ride can cost over $1,000. A hospital stay can cost tens of thousands. A major surgery can easily go beyond $50,000. Without insurance, the average person simply cannot afford these costs. Health insurance protects you from financial disaster and ensures you can get treatment when you need it. Next, auto insurance. In almost every US state, it's the law. If you drive, you must have car insurance. And the reason is simple: if you cause an accident, you're responsible for car repairs, medical bills, and property damage. These expenses can easily reach tens of thousands of dollars. Auto insurance protects you, other drivers, pedestrians, and property owners. It keeps the entire road system financially safe. Now let's look at home and renters insurance. Whether you own a home or rent an apartment, insurance is extremely important. In the USA, natural disasters, fires, storms, and break-ins are more common than many people think. Homeowners insurance covers repairs or rebuilding, which can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Renters insurance protects personal belongings like electronics, furniture, and clothes. Without insurance, replacing everything after a disaster would be almost impossible. Life and disability insurance add another layer of protection. In America, many families depend on the income of one or two people. If something happens to them, the family can face major financial hardship. Life insurance ensures that the family can continue living, pay their bills, and stay secure. Disability insurance helps if someone becomes injured or sick and is unable to work, replacing part of their income so they can survive financially. Insurance is also essential for businesses. Companies in the USA rely on insurance to protect their workers, cover accidents, defend against lawsuits, and keep operations running during emergencies. Without insurance, many businesses would shut down after a single major incident, leading to job losses and financial collapse. So, insurance helps keep the entire economy stable. Overall, life in the USA can be unpredictable and expensive. Insurance acts as a shock absorber, reducing financial risk and giving people stability. It protects your assets, your money, your health, your property, and your family's future. Without insurance, you risk massive medical debt, losing your car, losing your home, facing bankruptcy, or leaving your family unprotected. It's not just risky, it can be life-changing in the worst way. So, in simple words, insurance is important in the USA because emergencies are expensive. Life is unpredictable, and insurance provides the safety and security people need to live without fear. If this video helped you understand why insurance is such a critical part of life in the United States, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment side. Love to help. Thanks for watching.